Jatend mar somo Ezekiel Machogu opuoyo okenge ma Kenya osegoyo e sekta mar somo nyaka ne koro penj mar KCPE chakre higa mar 1985. Machogu opuoyo jotelo mane ochako chenrono kendo ma giko ne koro ochopo sani. Owacho ni ji milion 26 osetimo penj mar KCPE nyaka ne chake.
I'm here to celebrate and remind my fellow Kenyans that we are only transitioning from a structure of education that has served us well for 4 decades to one that will serve us even better. I must further emphasize to Kenyans that the midwives of the new shift in the education structure to the competence-based curriculum will mainly be the products of the KCPE examination, totaling 39 cohorts. Remember that a candidate who sat the KCPE examination in 1985 at the age of 14 is now aged 53 years old. If this was a teacher, he or she could now be one of our most experienced teachers, likely at the level of the head teacher. At our universities, such a professional could have risen to the level of a full professor. Indeed, this is an apt illustration of the fact that many of the professionals serving our country at every sphere are indeed products of the KCPE examination whose last results I am announcing today. So like with Arengo, who released the first KCPE examination results, I also feel privileged to be the one at the apex of the transition point from the KCPE examination to the Kenya Primary School Examination Assessment, which has been conducted in 2023 for only the 2nd year. This story of the end of KCPE will not be complete, therefore, if I do not individually mention some of the special groups of people that have been part of the successes, highs and lows of the examinations that have often sparked wide celebrations in many parts of the country, celebrations that we are all but bringing to an end this year. The 4 presidents of Kenya, whose governments steered the implementation of the KCPE examinations and equipped schools successfully to ensure quality products came out of our standard 8 national examinations.